Hey there friends, on today's video we are going to be looking at the Translate app and a couple of really cool features. Let's do it right now. Okay, if you have not explored the Translate app, this is an incredible feature that an iPhone comes standard with. I'm just going to click on that icon, we're going to open it up, and I'm going to show you a couple things that are really going to help with using this app. Now first, you can see that we're in English and Spanish. Obviously, if you want to change those specific languages, you can click on them and choose a language that you want to transcribe into. Again, let's just keep it on Spanish for now. And then we have our phrasing. Now this can be in live mode when you're talking to somebody. You can have it automatically play once you put in a specific language or a specific phrase. Let's go ahead and enter some more text here. Can you please tell me how to get to the store?
¿Puedes decirme cómo llegar a la tienda?
So as you can see, again, in this mode, it's automatically going to speak it as I say it into the phone, which is really, really cool. But let's say you are far away from somebody, like maybe across a counter, or you just can't hear the phone very well. So you can actually switch this into a mode where people can see it a little bit easier. And to do that, all we need to do is actually turn our phone sideways. And as you can see, it goes into this large conversational mode where people can actually visually have something to look at if they're at a distance and can't hear the speaker. Again, you can also hit that little play button and it'll speak it in this specific format.
¿Puedes decirme cómo llegar a la tienda?
And then if you want to go back to that conversation mode, you can actually click on that button. This may be the default that you see. If it is, when you turn your phone sideways, go ahead and just click those arrows that are on the left. And again, it'll go back into that large conversation mode. I'm going to flip my phone over again, and we're going to go right back into this live dictation mode. I hope that helps, friends. This is a really cool app, especially if you're traveling. If this does help, hit that thumbs up button for us. Let us know we're making helpful videos. And stay tuned because we are making a bunch of iPhone tutorial videos right now, and those are going to be coming out very, very soon. Thanks so much for watching.